16,000
Yeah.
square foot.
This is in the front. This is in the back.
And how long did you say you've been framing again?
2 months and a half.
No, I'm saying in general. 20 years?
Yeah, 20 years.
Dang.
27 years.
Dang, 27 years.
Yeah.
It's a big house though.
Yep.
So this is nothing. This is nothing to you. I'm actually happy we building this from the ground up because originally I wanted to get like a little rinky-dinky shed and just design the inside, but this is way more fulfilling and rewarding. Like being able to like customize it, make tweaks, make edits, talk to the crew, and just connect is amazing, honestly. Like I'm really happy that I'm building this from the ground up. Like I guess the negatives of that and possibilities is there's a huge room for error versus getting a shed and just doing it that way. But nah, this is really like what I'm learning right now. The wins, the losses is like very valuable. Like this is what turns people from being broke to millionaires, honestly. Like, this is really amazing. Like I love every part of this. It's like everything I thought it was gonna be. Do you prefer bigger framers or framing jobs or smaller ones?
I do everything.
You do everything?
Yeah. No, no traigo nada a cambio.
Can I try again? Yeah?
No.
Where? Yeah? Yeah? This way, right?
Yeah.
Keep going?
Yeah.
Right here? This way, right?
No.
This way. You can see that they're bringing the OSB 4x8s and they're putting it against the walls now. So if you guys could see, the tiny house is starting to get character. You're starting to see what it looks like now. Alex, ¿cuántos años? ¿Cuántos años? ¿Cuántos años?
How are you?
15?
Oh.
Huh? ¿Cuántos años?
Oh,
Yeah.
47.
47. I'm 27. I'm 27. You see, it's starting to get 27. 27. Yeah, 27. Yeah. You thought I was younger?
Huh?
You thought I was younger?
Yeah.
But yeah, it's starting to get character.
Fascia, this is the
Fascia? Okay. Fascia.
The next time, this is right here for insulation.
Installation. Okay. Installation is going to go in there.
First, the electrician.
Electrician. Yep.
Plumbers.
Yep. Plumbers. Okay.
Insulation.
Okay.
And drywall.
Drywall. Okay. Yep. Looking good.
It's expensive, man.
Yeah, it's expensive. Expensive, yeah. Everything's expensive.
Maybe you charge about more about 15
Huh?
grand.
15 grand?
Maybe more.
15 grand more? You think that's all I have left? 15 grand?
No, maybe you pay for all of that right here.
Yeah, 15 grand.
15 grand, right?
15 grand.
Yeah, because the lumber is too expensive.
Yeah, lumber is expensive, yeah. But yeah, this is the living room. Now they're doing the roof. That's for the shingles, right? Shingles on top. This is day 3 of the framing, and we're basically done. I was trying to give you guys 2 separate videos, but my framer wants to install the windows now. I decided to go with him to install the windows and for him to do the roof just because he was so efficient, and I felt like it made sense and it paid off because he finished everything in 3 days. So let me grab this window. You can't expect your subcontractors to do everything, so let's go.
La mosquitera para abajo.
Los agujeros para abajo. No le hagas así, quítale los tornillos con un taladro. Sacan los tornillos así, quiebras esa ventana y otro día de trabajo gratis. Porque ya jodieron el vidrio de la venta del patrón. Y vas con esa ventana, ¿no? Ya pues ya estás trabajando día gratis.
Oh, Timmy, I could call for inspection, right?
Huh?
I could call for inspection?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. This on here. So we're about to install all 5 windows. 6 actually. So my head framer is working like Speedy Gonzalez. So my head framer is working like Speedy Gonzalez. So we're gonna end up putting in the windows today. We went with 36 by 48 and all black. And these are the windows right here. So now we're just installing all the windows, and yeah, we're good. The house wrap is on, and that's the first window we're putting up, and it fit perfectly. It fit perfectly, honestly. Oh, this is staying like this?
Hey.
This is staying like, okay, so I gotta pin it.
Demio, venga. ¿Qué dice el maestro?
Huh? Oh, you don't have to paint it?
What's up?
Oh, but no, that was actually a question. No. I just gotta paint this, right? Or no?
No.
Paint it. Oh, something's gonna cover it?
Because you not put a trim.
Oh, okay. I need some more nails. I need more nails.
No.
I need more nails.
Okay.
I'm out to, yeah, what the heck? Like this. Okay. This is how the door looked before, and we'll show you how it looks after.
Agárrala ya, agárrala. Agárrala.